Good afternoon and welcome back to the Narragansett Trail. Last year I did the beginning of the trail over Lantern Hill, past the transfer station, and then through what I later found out was a closed section of the trail, and ended up right over there on the other side of the field. So here is why this awesome section of trail is unused, and that's because it's closed, and you wouldn't be able to reach this sign because it's blocked by this electric fence and these handsome cows. So we are within a stone's throw of Route 2 just over there and the Cossaduck River, but we're not going to make it. You can almost just make out above the bale there the sign that says this section of trail is closed. This year I am doing the next section, and we're going to start off crossing over this nicely rebuilt bridge. That's probably the former bridge down there. Nice improvement. Here we can see that it's the Hewitt's Pond Dam Bridge, built in 2007. And now we just have to cross over Route 2. Pretty easy. After a real short road walk, we enter the Nature Conservancy's Gladys Foster Preserve and start heading uphill. And what we're heading uphill into is called the Cossaduck Bluffs. And there's supposed to be some kind of overlook somewhere near the top up here. Get this kind of view through the trees on this cliff edge, but I'm hoping that's not the real view. Also gotta clean off this lens. So we are about a third of a mile further down the trail, trying to keep this camera dry from the wintry mix that's fallen, and I think we're coming up on the actual overlook. So I've heard tell that this is called the Yawbux Valley Overlook. Pretty sure that Yawbux is the name of a, not river, but stream or brook that's running through here. We're about a mile into the trail now and have left the Cossaduck Bluffs behind us, and coming through this pines and moss section, and I think we are reaching the Yawbux Brook that I mentioned before. This tree just peeled right off of this boulder. The next cool feature is this old farm dam that's turned into a beaver dam. see the lodge right over there. Flushing ducks. We've reached the upper reaches of the pond here. Been following the edge pretty much this whole time. It's pretty nice. Hiking between the Yawbux down there and this curious, almost like plantation stand of pines. About 2 miles into the hike now. We've left the Yawbux River behind us. We're between these big rock ledges and a nice stone wall. Coming down slightly harder now, and I think I've got about a mile, maybe a mile and a half before I can hit my turnaround point. So let's keep going. We have hit our first major obstacle. This beaver dam trail is supposed to go right through here. And I think we're going to try and hop rocks right over there. Oh yeah. This trail nose is talking about a trail relocation. So that is Wyassup Lake. And that means that my overlook should be just up ahead here. You can see the Wyassup boat launch down there. On this spine a little bit further down the trail, and what do I see down here? A fire pit and a couple of flat top benches or seating. One of those things where you're like, what's that doing out here? The overlook should be just up ahead here. Alright, finally. Here we go. Yeah. Worth it. So it's about 4 miles to get here. 3 miles to Wyassup Lake and then another mile to this point, which means I've got 4 miles to get back to the car before I either wreck my camera or get wet through. I'll see you next time. 4, 3, 2, less than 1. Okay. There we go. Made it back to the car. I'm soaked, but camera still works, and that's what counts.